Welcome to B Street. You want to know what is community commerce and what is C7 and T4. C7T4 is a framework designed by Mr. Rishabh Sawansukha with his 22 years of experience of working in corporates as an entrepreneur, as an investor, and also as a consultant. This framework is basically a mechanism or a tool which can make you future ready. It works at all three levels, at individual or team level, at function or group level, at organization or company level. So when we talk about individual level, it works well for owners, CXOs, decision makers, and also the key team in a family business. At a function or group level, the framework C7T4 works in different manner. For example, if you are talking about finance function, HR, marketing, sales, business development, operation excellence, research and development, like that. So at functional level, the framework C7T4 remain same, but the methodology of evaluation changes. The prescription for improvement also changes. Then comes the organization or company level. You are in a startup, NGO, or a large multinational organization. At an organization level, the framework becomes more broader and more deeper. So at Biz Street, we have methods to check, an expert ability to find gaps. We have knowledge to guide and commitment to make you future ready. This is the framework C7T4. C1 to 7 are 7 pillars of community commerce, starting from community, connections, content, creativity, communication, collaboration, and commerce. The world is changing. We are in a digital age. Definition of community has also changed. Every organization is now looking for its own community. Either they are building it or they have joined them. On an average, every human being interact with multiple communities, offline and online. And community shapes us what we are today. And community impacts what we will become in future. So when we work on team basis, we follow personal interview and team interview. We have checklists and templates which our expert prepares, and then we find out the areas where we need to work and then help the client to improve on those areas and ultimately monitor the progress and improvement. At a function level, it is done through group session or group discussion. For each component, the checklist, the methodology of conducting the group discussion or group session is decided by the expert after the basic evaluation test or basic evaluation check of the problem area. At an organization level, the approach is little different. We do desk review, we do the social review. For brands, we do the review of all their social handles and also business review from aspects of finance, sales, costing, and value and valuation. Then there is a provision of site visit. The site visit can be online, offline, or the project visit. In T4, which is the execution part of the community commerce, that includes tools, technology, training, and targets. Nothing can be achieved without target, and nothing can be achieved without community, and nothing is sensible if it is not connected to commerce. We are talking about business, so business need to have community, commerce, and targets. So this entire framework of C7T4 works wonderfully well, and it can create a magic, a symphony, if it is applied with the thorough process, and if the organization is willing to adopt the best practices which can make every person connected to the organization contributing towards the achievement of the overall overarching goals, and also become future ready. Thank you for listening to BizStreet podcast. If you want to know anything further about this C7T4 concept and want to know how your family business, startup, company, or a global organization can be benefited out of the C7T4, feel free to write to me directly, and I'll try to answer all of your questions. My email ID is rishabh@bizstreet.biz, and my mobile number is 98734 16002. Country code for India is 91. Thank you very much for listening to this C7T4 concept developed by me to benefit each and every person who aspire to make his organization and himself future ready in digital age.